Hey, welcome back. Today we're gonna learn about inheritance in Python. Well, the inheritance refers to the derivation of subclasses from a main class. The main class could be called as parent class and the subclasses as child. The child class basically can inherit behaviors from the main class. The term behavior refers to the methods and variables defined inside the main class. The purpose of the inheritance is to allow programmers to extend their code and implement new ideas while keeping the existing behavior as that of the main class. So, how to inherit a class in Python? Let's learn by the help of a program example. Class person, def show details self. Print I'm a person. Class student person. Name equals to John. Def get name self. Print I'm a student. My name is plus self dot name. P equals to person. P dot show details. P equals to student. P dot show details. P dot get name. That's all. Thanks for watching.